So we're trying to do like nano blades and then Space Jam grabs.
Yeah,
Mhm.
or even nano, like grab blade. They might run that Sombra
Oh, that's
again.
where
That
we're
worked
going.
pretty well.
Yeah, they probably will. Hey, we'll learn to deal with it.
Yeah, I need to
I
let him
don't, we,
deal with
should,
her.
we shouldn't hold up there, by the way.
Do a
Alright,
hold on
cool.
point. All right.
We won't. Hold left or right. Let's just hold right side. Because I have a better sightline with their fire strikes.
Guys, let me know if they're pushing in so I can jump them.
Okay. Hey, nice 6% ult charge.
Better than nothing, I guess.
Yeah. I think I saw a Diva Matrix. Yeah.
I'm getting
Diva
We're going
high
Zen.
ground.
dive.
Careful, I'm getting high ground with Zen.
We're going dive, snipers, Zarya, Zen.
Widow, be careful. Widow, monkey,
Zen,
Genji.
Zen, I think we should
they're
get
gonna
down.
dive
Zen.
me then. Okay.
Yeah, Cal,
I'm
go
gonna,
left.
yeah, I'm gonna be on you.
Yeah, okay.
Widow,
Yes,
Widow
yes.
jump top left. Widow top, she's top left.
Left side, Widow up top.
I'm on, they're on me
Zen.
behind.
What's the discorded?
I'm purple.
Winston,
I'm purple.
backline.
Genji.
Winston's dead. Oh shit! I got slept and then murdered.
Oh my
That's
God.
okay. It's okay. Learn something.
Just dive. We don't have that.
Cal, I think you switch. Cal, switch to, unless you feel like you can get it trans, switch to Brig.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna take high ground here.
I'm getting up there.
They're not really giving any space away. If we just try and play on point,
They're up
They
on the.
can't-
They're
they
right
can't-
above
they
you,
can't
so you
brawl
don't-
with us.
They don't know where
Yeah,
you
yeah,
are.
yeah.
They don't know you're there.
all right, I'm gonna move forward here.
Widow's up top, be careful.
Moving right side.
Diva's on point. Left
I'm
side.
going the point. I'm going the point. Going the point.
Genji's on me.
Diva in the back line. Genji's one.
I'm going the point. Going the point.
Can't see.
Give us low.
Diva's
Diva out
out.
of mech.
Careful. I'll do it up.
Reloading.
Where's the Widow at? Can someone see her?
I'm on right. Or
Main.
monkey.
Leave him.
Sorry.
Sorry, I'm just
Okay,
swinging.
Ana. Can you get heal me?
Just
outside?
contest point. Contest point.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm on point.
Reloading.
Monkey's up top,
I'm
monkey's
gonna
up
have
top.
shatter soon. I'm gonna have a free shatter. I can shatter here soon.
They have Genji blade.
You ready to nano blade?
Yeah,
Shoot
jump up
shatter,
for me,
shoot
jump
shatter,
up.
go, 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 go.
Yeah, I have 4 seconds. After trans.
I need shield. Oh, okay.
You ready?
Yeah, jump
I
up.
am
Monkey's up
Shield,
top, monkey's up
shield.
top, monkey's up top, Pavel. Careful.
Come on, monkey.
Okay.
No more ults.
Go get the
Zen's on the
Zen.
left.
Zen around here.
We have grab for next.
Yep, it's
Alright.
free. Do it before they trans, because they don't have it right now.
We don't
I don't
have
think- they're not switching.
Well, we have a space jam. They can't transfer.
You have to be careful,
Yep.
Doofus, because I'm usually like babysitting Diana.
Okay,
All right. So our
Oh,
goal
where you
is
at,
to
Callum?
distract the divas so I can grab. Okay.
Watch Widow above.
okay.
Diva no boosters. Top right.
I'm dead.
I'm swinging on Diva. Diva low. Swinging on monkey.
Putting in stasis. He's in stasis.
Nice.
reloading.
Help Ana.
Fuck, my bad. Kill the monkey. Can we get
He's
Diva no
sleeping,
boosters?
don't wake him, don't wake him, don't wake him.
Diva no boosters. Diva no boosters.
Just keep walk back.
I have meteor.
Just wait. Doofus, no, wait.
Get out.
Yeah, I'm trying. I got caught out by
No,
the-
you had time to get back before that.
All right.
Are we
We're gonna
going
have
back
shatter
on
here?
point?
Until 30.
We're going point or not?
I can shatter. Fuck.
This is bad.
This is bad.
Come back.
Everyone else just keep getting back.
Got him away.
We're still down one.
Yep.
Yeah, you have
Yeah,
not there
right,
yet.
right.
Ryan.
We're just on payload.
Widow's left side.
I have a nano for a tank.
I nominate Beak for that honor, most probably.
I'm gonna rally now. Rallying.
Watch the Widow. Widow, there's no sleep.
Powell, where's the Tracer at?
No projected.
Right.
Ryan's half. He's looking for
They're
shadow.
pushing. They're pushing back. They're pushing back.
Zen is the right side.
Swapped.
Reloading.
Grabbing.
Tracer flanking left.
He's no barrier.
Oh, I like it.
Tracer's still behind you guys.
Okay.
Just it's lost. It's lost. Get out. Dire, get out. It's okay to die fast.
You're right. It is.
All right, I'm gonna come out and shatter here. We can do a bash shatter.
Yep.
I am not a good loser.
Try to wait for their bubble.
No sleep.
No. Tracer no recall.
Ready for it?
Nice.
Tracer's behind you. Tracer's one hit.
Tracer no recall.
I'm pushing forward. Pushing forward. What's this? Zen? Zen. Zen's one. Let's stagger
No walls.
that
No
Zarya if we can.
I can't reach her.
That's alright. Alright, good hold.
Can't see you.
Remember that.
Alright, what do we have here?
So watch that.
We can rally.
Yep.
Tracer, get this shit.
I have
Ryan has
nano
shadow
again.
maybe.
I think they have grab.
Zen's right
Grab,
side.
They got shatter. Oh,
Tire.
they just used shatter.
That's alright. The bomb, the sticky bomb. Yeah, they used
I'm
that.
getting out. I don't think we have time to recontest, right? Do I have to?
No,
just
we don't. We don't. We don't. We just have to.
Stall.
I have nano if you
Stall.
can get near me.
It's okay. We struggled on streets. I forget how early that second end of point is.
It
now.
really is.
And I was like, oh shit, we can just recontest. You guys are waiting there. Oh fuck, nope, nope, nope. No, we cannot.
We just couldn't control high ground with other
Yeah.
tank setup.
Yeah. The VODs are for.
Mhm.
Cool. What are we doing?
Probably try dive of our own here.
All right. Step one. First day of school.
Was their widow doing anything? I felt like I never had pressure from her.
I got
Not really.
chipped. I got chipped a ton by her.
So maybe she was focusing the tanks.
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean,
their
Thunder-
Junkrat loves to play frontline Junkrat, and he loves
Yeah.
to be like right in front of everybody.
Yeah. He was destroying my shield too. Which is, I guess, his job.
Think you can keep up with me?
Let's try and get high ground control on that right high side near the like roller coaster,
Okay, and have Sombra call out where they are and what we should dive.
and we can kind of stage our dive from there.
Cool.
All systems my ultimate is charged. Ready for combat.
Let's go through Viking, left side Viking. That way we don't take any poke damage coming through the big D. They might have a Sombra here actually. Left side, left side.
Zen.
Going left side,
Reinhardt,
going down below
Sombra.
left side.
Hanzo.
Alright, gonna dive top right, just the stage.
They have Zen, Zarya, Ana, Reinhardt.
Where's the Ana?
Hanzo.
Where's the Ana? Where's the Ana?
Ana in the back line
back left.
with Zenhard.
Back right, back right.
Ready when you
I'm
are.
gonna dive that. Gotta dive Zen. 3, 2, 1. No bubble, no bubble. Get the Zen, 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 Zen.
Got him.
Nice.
That's alright. We won the fight.
Ryan's low, Ryan's low, Ryan's
Ryan
low.
Ryan's one,
Ryan's
Ryan's
one.
one, Ryan's one.
Sombra, Sombra point, Sombra point, Sombra point. She's one hit.
Dead. Ana's hacked, Ana's hacked, Ana's hacked, Ana's hacked.
Reloading.
She's stuck left side, super low. Ana's one,
Sorry,
Ana's,
sorry, sorry.
Ana's low. Ana's low still.
Let's try and get some push there, Punder. Are you alive?
Yep, I'm alive. I got
Okay.
a. Yep.
Let's try and get high
Hanzo's
ground.
spamming. Hanzo's spamming.
I'm with you. I got bomb and Matrix.
Ryan's charge is changing, I think, or at least he's.
Hanzo up top.
Where is he?
There's Sombra top here.
I can't even dive in.
Yeah, sorry. You just scared me, so I did it.
That's alright. That's alright. She tried the hack. Get counter dive the Winston.
I'm hacked.
Just get out. Just hide.
Okay.
Monkey again.
Reloading.
I'm gonna dive out soon.
Monkey's sleeping. Just leave him.
I'm on cart.
Yeah, I'm coming towards you. Careful. Just get. We're not gonna win that.
Should we swap off of the? Well, no. Just have to stay away from the Zarya. Play rounder.
Sombra's bottom
You have
right
to
side. guys,
let's
be careful.
wait for the Zarya to bubble. Just focus the Zarya
Okay.
once she personal bubbles.
Time to be young to die.
I'll have nano soon. Bobble.
Monkey's up top.
Payload stop. Let's get it.
Hanzo on cart. This is Zarya right here.
They're all scattered up.
Just die.
What is Zen?
Get out. Die.
Ejecting.
You can do EMP blade.
They probably have trans.
Then let's make sure that EMP has Zen in it.
Yep. I'm gonna try.
Even if we just get the Zen as a start.
Yeah. We
I
here?
believe in you. I'm with you.
Alright. Taking high ground. There's a monkey right here. Monkey fell. Personal bubble's gone. Where is that Zen?
They're below.
They're all below.
they're below us. They're hiding.
We're still moving cart. Look at this monkey. Monkey no jump.
Where's the Zen at? Can you see him?
Monkey on cart. I need help.
Can we get this Hanzo? And the monkey. Monkey no jump all the way behind us. We can stagger him. Oh.
Monkey's
Car.
still
Zen's
low.
low.
Top.
Monkey low, monkey low.
Thank you.
Zarya has grav.
Can we get monkey no jump.
Monkey has ult, monkey has ult.
Coming back to cart. I'm really low.
Monkey
now. Or
I'm diving on cart. I'm on Sombra.
Reloading.
I can EMP this.
I'm low. Can we get this monkey behind us?
Yeah, that bubble screwed us over there.
That's alright.
got bomb.
Fuck.
Should I switch to something else?
We can do EMP bomb.
Okay.
You just protect horror from the monkey as best you can. I'm gonna have to try to peel.
Well, in this fight, let's try and do an EMP bomb here, like I
Okay.
said. So if you see an opportunity to throw it out, just say it.
Okay. Just throw it, Pandra. I can.
Yep.
EMP them.
Where are they? They're up top.
They're up top.
So they're on all the way in the spawn.
There's a Zen back near the stairs here, near the stairway.
Behind us.
Monkey's gonna jump me.
Pandra,
Come on,
anytime now.
monkey,
Anytime,
monkey,
anytime,
monkey,
Pandra.
Bombing. On cart.
Ah, I was hacked.
God damn it.
That's alright. I was hacked still.
You got
We're
two?
still up one. Focus target.
Reloading.
It's monkey low, monkey low, monkey low, monkey low.
I'm hacked behind.
Sombra's still behind. Yeah.
I can't.
Reaper here.
I saw that.
I think that's
Get out.
lost.
Yeah.
I got the Zarya at least.
Nice.
Mhm.
Hey, she was high charge. Worth it.
They probably have trance by now.
They have. Yep, they have trans by now.
And we have blade again. I'm just gonna hard dive the Zen to try and
Yeah,
get the
the
blade,
EMP
get the
again.
trans out. Are we all here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Boosters
All right,
in
I'm
two.
moving. Taking top left. Taking top left. Watch the Sombra trying to hack.
Okay.
Horror. I'm gonna dive the Zen now.
Zarya's low, Zarya's low. Shit.
He's one. Zen's one.
Instead,
Reloading.
We can still do this,
Come on,
right?
Hanzo.
No, I'm dead. Yep.
Fuck.
It's okay. We're learning. This is really honestly
he never-
very good. We're learning.
I'm too young to die.
Did we? Okay,
What do we got?
what do we have next?
So we've got Beat. They probably got Grab again. She's been farming pretty good.
They still have trans too, right?
Trans.
Yeah, they do.
All right, so let's dive the Zen. Kill the Zen. That's our
I'm
goal.
gonna be late.
I can touch the point.
Alright. Watch the... I'm gonna dive the Hanzo above. He's gonna dive around.
There's C9 again.
Come on, cart.
Summer left side. She's no
Summer's down?
translocator. She's looking for a grab.
Purple.
I'm on the monkey.
Monkey in the back line.
Stay on cart. Stay on cart. Stay on cart.
Grabbing him point or
I'm still
oh, they
slept.
got
I'm still
their
left.
bubbles.
I'm gonna get the Hanzo.
Reloading.
Fuck, use one.
Yeah, it's probably feeding her a lot of charge. The entire or a lot of